Hey, how are you doing? Today I wanted to talk about multi-screen import, one of the things that I'm most proud about in Anima. So what we do is that we start off as normal. There's design here. As you can see, it's a prototype with the relationships intact. And then you start off just as we did before, and we click in Anima and paste it. And then we go back and we choose yet another screen and we paste that as well. And in this example, there's another screen like so, and we click and we try. See, it finally did it, but we can see the top navigation buttons. So very easily, I'm going to say the top navigation buttons of home and spec are not visible. Please fix. I can sort of see the writing, but you can see that the background is black. So just buttons are still invisible. Please make background transparent. See, now we can see them and then everything's fine. Now it's a multi-screen. So if you click text spec, it's a brand new page. If you click compare, it's a brand new page. And because we came from a prototype, all of these actions are included, which is nice. Now I just want to do something, even though I wasn't supposed to play with it. I just want to, let's see if we can add a touch of actionability to the website. Now again, I'm not supposed to do that, but the color settings here doesn't do anything. So I'm asking it in the text spec page, can you make the headphones change color when you click on the color? Similar way on the home page, can you do a carousel? Let's see what it does. So now when we click, you see that it changes like a carousel according to the color, which I like. But if you go to text spec, it's a little bit different. I asked it to do different things. Here I asked it to change color based on color. While at home, I asked it to do a carousel. Let's say it's a kind of carousel. It's not exactly what I wanted, but all I have to do is ask for it. And I love that. Well, I've shown you how to import multi-screen. I hope you liked it. See you next time.